What if I told you there is a secret that may help you reduce your blood sugar spikes after eating by up to 70%? This will help calm down inflammation, improving your energy, and improving your brain fog. Today, we are diving into meal sequencing, a simple but powerful way to steady your blood sugar, boost focus, and prevent that afternoon crash. In previous content, I shared how eating protein may first stimulate GLP-1, your body's natural appetite and glucose control hormone. But newer studies have revealed that there may even be a more powerful approach that actually amplifies those GLP-1 benefits. When researchers compared different eating sequences, they found something fascinating. People who eat vegetables first, then protein, and then carbs had 30 to 40% lower post-meal glucose spikes compared to those who ate the carbohydrates first. But here's the key insight. When protein follows vegetables, GLP-1 release is enhanced even beyond just eating protein first alone. Why is it that vegetables first create the perfect setup? Think of your stomach as a sophisticated filtration system. When you eat vegetables first, the fiber creates a physical barrier that slows everything down that comes after. So it isn't just about feeling full, it's about changing the actual absorption rate of glucose into your bloodstream. The fiber creates the barrier, so not as much glucose gets absorbed. When protein hits that fiber-lined stomach, several things happen. GLP-1 release is amplified because the protein is being absorbed more slowly. The fiber continues to slow carbohydrate absorption when they finally arrive, and your pancreas gets a gentle, manageable signal instead of a glucose emergency, reducing your insulin spikes. This leads me to my daily habit challenge for today. It's a 3-2-1 method. You're going to take 3 bites of a vegetable first, getting that fiber foundation in place. Then you're going to eat 2 bites of protein second. You're priming your GLP-1 system on top of that fiber base. And then lastly, you eat 1 bite of carb last. Now, after you get into the habit of this, you don't have to count your bites each time, but just know in general to eat your vegetables or fiber first, your protein, and then your carbohydrates. You just want to establish a sequence of eating so you can take full advantage of this simple meal sequencing technique to help your body absorb less glucose, stimulate more GLP-1, so you'll be more metabolically healthy. Over time, you'll find that your brain fog will be lifting, you'll have more energy, and you may even lose some weight. You'll be more productive as a result and be able to live your optimal life. So pick any meal today, whatever is the easiest for you. Remember, every meal is either fueling inflammation or fighting it in your brain or body. The order of your fork isn't just about digestion, but it's about protecting your cognitive function, your energy, your metabolism, and preventing chronic disease. And it always starts with something simple, and as you add more and more simple things, next thing you know, you will have better habits. So this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So even implementing meal sequencing 50% of the time can create measurable improvements. But, try to push yourself. As you do this in one meal, then make it a habit with another meal, and then the third meal, and then your snacks. So that way you will automatically be attuned to do this every time you eat. I hope you are enjoying these daily habits. Please check the description as there are some free downloadables that you may find helpful. Stay tuned till tomorrow for another daily habit challenge. Thanks for listening or watching, and have a fantastic day.